How to go to incognito mode on any Mac. If you want to browse without saving your history, cookies, or search data, every browser on Mac has a private or incognito mode you can switch to instantly. So whether you use Safari, Chrome, or Firefox, here's how to open it. So firstly, I'm gonna open Safari, which is like main browser of Mac. And now if you want to open a private window from here, you have to click on File and then New Private Window. You can also use this shortcut, so Shift plus Command and N on keyboard. And this is going to open New Private Window. So you can search in here. After you close this window, Safari won't remember the pages you visited or your search history or autofill informations. So this is how you can open private window on Safari. Now let's say you have Chrome. What you can do, you can open Chrome and you can click on those three dots in top right corner and you want to simply click on New Incognito Window. You also can use the same shortcut for this as well. So I'm going to click on it and now you can start searching in incognito mode. And this was a quick video how to go to incognito mode on any Mac. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.